Hi everyone, it's Vanessa from Angel Rose Designs. What time is it? It's planning time. Yay! I've been away from my planning, but I'm making a comeback. And today I'm going to be using Cute Daisy's full boxes from my planner. And I have my washi tape. I have my tweezers. And I have my washi tape strips already cut. I have my pen. I have my scissors. I have my washi cutter. And I have my planner pages. Okay? And we're doing February 4th through the 10th. And the way I usually do it, I'd probably change it up all the time, is I usually lay my washi tape down first. So I'm going to put this one here. No, actually no. I take that back. We're going to use this one first. I know it's going to cover the month and year up a little bit, but that's okay. We can rewrite it. Okay. There we go. Then we have this one here. Well, it seems like I didn't cut enough washi tape. That's fine. We can do more. Whoops, this one's a little too big. So, I'm going to take our scissors and trim it a little. I cut these on my paper trimmer, but they're a little too big, so now I have to use my little scissors to cut them. Trim them down a little. And it's hard to do, but I know I can do it. Okay, now we're going to take this one, lay it down here. It's not as straight as we would want it, but that's fine. Then we're going to take this one, we're going to lay it down here. I'm going to trim that little piece off. Right here, right here. I'm not putting too much pressure because I don't want to cut through the planner sheet page. And I'm going to fill this in after I get off camera. Because I have my little cheat sheet with me, and I know what goes where. Let me see if I can grab my tweezers to pull it off. There we go. We got that all taken care of now, didn't we? Now we have some more to go on this side, but that means we're going to have to cut a little bit more. We need this one to go at the top. There. This one on the next line. And I cut the next two pieces, the last two pieces off camera. Okay, now I'm going to take my X-Acto and just apply a little pressure in there. We got that done. Now, what I'm going to do is kind of go with the way the full boxes are laid out. I'm going to use my tweezers for this. There. Again, this is Cute Daisies. Free printables. And I will link her down below in the description box. All the links to everything that I use, like planner stickers, or if I'm doing a craft, it will be listed in the link section down below in the description box. So, we're almost done with this. And I'm trying my best to stay on camera. Okay. Like I said, I'm not going to put the bottom washi. And I may use, if I can find more flags, I may use them, I may not. My thing changes from month to month. I'm going to put a little to-do sticker down here next to notes. Got that? Let me see if I can find a few more of the nope. No, that's fine. I'll just make a list of what's to be done and how it's to be done, and that's it. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Love, live, laugh. Please be kind to each other, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Peace.